Hey guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. The sole purpose of today's video is to do what we tried to do last video. Now, if you're a subscriber to the channel, you'll see last video I was attempting and came very close to achieving my first hand drags on this bike. Now, if you're not a viewer of this channel or a subscriber, what the fuck? But anyways, today we're heading right up to a nice straight street where there's no traffic to try and get this damn hand drag today. I was like this far off from dragging my fingers yesterday, so we just need to reach back a little bit further. I think maybe cock the bars, so let's try and get this thing done. All right guys, so I'm pulling up to the spot that I think will be the best area to do this. I want it to be like maybe a little downhill but flat, and I don't know if the GoPro will show you here, but this is like pretty slanted, which, you know, doing a one-hander trying to slide back and drag my hand, you'll go sideways. So this part up here might be a little straighter, otherwise we'll go back over there. I think this is the spot right here, just straight down this way. All right, we're gonna set up the DJI Pocket 2 and get to practice. All right, the little DJI isn't super duper charged up, so let's try and get this and let's get it in good timing before the battery dies. All right, so we just need to lean back further is what I know. It's just scary. Oh, that was far back, but that's like how far I need to be back and then take my hand off. Ah, come on now. Ah. If it was easy, everyone would do it though, right? Oh my God, that felt so close. That felt super close too, dude. We're gonna get this if it's the last thing I do. Oh, that felt so close. Hey, we touched the ground. We didn't roll it out, but that's our first hand drag, baby. I'm gonna count that as a hand drag, but we gotta get one where we touch and then ride it out. But that felt like the perfect run up, the perfect way to ride it out, but I just was a little bit too far forward. Oh. We did it. We didn't land it, but we didn't keep the wheel up, but we still hand dragged right there. Let's go. Burnout to celebrate. Bouncy burnout, but let's go. We did it. I feel like that looked pretty sick because I definitely touched the ground. Damn, isn't she beautiful? Even though the plastics are falling off a little on the side. Can never get enough circles. Well guys, I'm gonna chalk that up as a success. We didn't ride it out like hand drag then go back to keep the wheelie up, but it's still a hand drag, so I'm gonna call it there. Definitely gonna keep practicing these, but hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you have any other tricks that you think I should try to learn next, I was thinking seat standers because my goal was to get a hand drag before end of year, which I succeeded on, and we've got a couple months to spare. This view never gets old of the city here. It's always a beautiful view, especially on a nice warm day. I mean, minus, you know, the trash. Just block that out and look at the skyscrapers, okay? Do a wheelie. All right, guys, we're on my way to beat it up with my buddy Ra, but gotta hit our trail first. I haven't come on this trail in a while. Don't take that the wrong way. Welded freewheel feels so much better with hill climbs and whatnot as well. Woo-hoo. If you want to get better at wheelies on the street, wheelie in places like this. There he is. Little workshop time? What's good? Oh, how long am I gonna leave it here hanging?
Oh, shit.
All right, hand drag time, let's go. Woo-hoo! Yeah, I gotta try to learn how to ride it out too, though. Whoop, chain came off. Let's go play in the skate park a little bit. This chain is at its end. Let's get some donuts. Oh, we rode that out, didn't take the feet off either. And we got the little fingertips down, if you couldn't tell. Now. You need new gloves now, I guess. Just a little practice sesh here, really. I'm done hand dragging for the day though, because of this. Ooh, my bad. Lean all the way back. Sit back. Like you really gotta sit back. Sorry guys, we're just seshing this area this whole time. I don't know if it's the most exciting video, but you know. Dude, the bike fits Raw so well. What? Dude, you could be wheeling in a day. Hey, he's got good brake discipline though. Look at that. He's putting it right back down.
That's too back. Bring it down a bit. Oh, he's too back. Come forward a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, saved it. Yup. All right. I don't think the chain can take anymore. All right, guys. Well, the motor overheated, so we're getting a little push. We're just letting it cool down. It cut off on me twice here, so